This is a quick demonstration on how to design a mirrored temporary crown with the Design app. If you do not have preoperative data and you have teeth that can be copied on the other side, you can utilize this app. First, select and duplicate the teeth you want to mirror and perform mirroring. Next, go to Transformation mode to set the mirrored crown in the right position. Now go back to Edit mode and use the Bridge tool to connect the hollow meshes. Use the Fill Hole tool to cover all the surfaces. Now we are going to do digital prep. First, for the internal space, duplicate only the prepped teeth area and give offset to the outside. Use the Cut tool to cut the prep teeth shape out of the mirrored crown base. You can adjust the temporary crown shape with the Sculpting tool.